Assalamualaikum, hi and very good morning to our beloved lecturer and my fellow friend. My name is Mujahid and I'm going to be the first presenter to present on behalf of Nyotnyot and Friend group. Before we dive deeply into our topic, let me briefly explain about our topic. The topic given is suitability and restriction of machinery in sheltered agriculture. So, what is suitability? Suitability is right or appropriate for a particular person, purpose or situation. Meanwhile, restriction means the limitation or control of someone or something. Last but not least, machine means an apparatus using mechanical power and having several parts, each with a definite function and together performing a particular task. Okay, so the topic given for our presentation, which is suitability and restriction of machinery in sheltered agriculture, literally want us to make a study and research about the machine that is considered suitable and can be used in a sheltered agriculture type of farm, and what are the restrictions that we need to keep our eyes on when using the machine in the sheltered farm. Okay, now I'm going to explain more about suitability of machinery in sheltered agriculture. Okay, the first point is the function of the machine need to fulfill the requirement that the farmer needed, which means the machine need to efficiently help and ease the farmer job in the farm. Next, the second point is the size of the machine need to be logic and suitable with the size of the sheltered farm, so that the machine can be easily moved from area to another area around the farm. As we all know, commonly the size of sheltered agriculture is much smaller than the open type of farm. So the size of machine used in the sheltered agriculture are usually smaller in size as compared to the open type of farm machine. The third and the last one is we need to know that the total power needed to operate the machine in our farm are different. The shelter one and the open type one is due to the smaller size of land used in the farm and the smaller size of machine that used in the sheltered agriculture as compared to the normal agriculture farm. Okay, now we're gonna proceed with the restriction. Okay, restriction of machinery in sheltered agriculture also have 3 points, which is the first point, not all type of machine can be used in sheltered agriculture due to the limitation of space for the machine to operate. By this, it means that we not only need to study the function of machine before purchasing it, but we also need to know the size of it so that it can be used optimally in our sheltered farm. Okay, my second point is, as we know, usually sheltered agriculture only use small amount of space as compared to the open agricultural farm. So the spec and power of the machine also need to be reduced to make sure the machine can be operated in the most efficient ways in the farm. My third and last point is the machine used in sheltered agriculture usually much harder and more complicated to use as compared to the normal one. We need a skillful operator to use it, so farmer need to master the usage of the machine from the expert before applying it and using it at their farm. It is so to prevent accident and injury from occur in their farm. Okay, so we're gonna proceed to the next part, which is the example of machine used in sheltered agriculture. So I'm gonna pass to Hai.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Krani and today I'll present about type of machine that we choose. We choose about 4 type of machine for our poster. Okay, I'll be telling about machine name, specification and the function. Okay, the first one of our machine is Zona 35. Okay, about specification, front and rear structure are connected by means of hinge mechanism. It also features maneuvering control assistant for the rotation and equipment. The Tizona 35 is equipped with a 18.5 kW diesel engine and a 40 bar 50 liter nozzle, consisting of vertical or horizontal pipe or an atomizer or tank depending on the intended use, a 500 liter tank and spray system. For the function, motion and generator between denser lift, hydraulic movement with large adjustable airflow to ensure every movement, fully independent opening and closing of beam from processing and ventilation, maximum efficiency for increasing plant mass movement in high density greenhouse crop or outdoors. That's all for Tizona 35. Second machine is vegetable precision seeder. Okay, for the specification, need to equip with walking tractor as a power to ensure strong power, variable speed adjustment, easily to store and transport. The row spacing, line spacing and the sowing depth can be adjusted according to the customer request. Precision seeding with an accuracy of 99%. This show that this machine very usable. Okay, for the function, got three types. To make seeding for vegetable, creating unsowing depth, suitable for a grade of small like seed 1 into 13.5 mm of vegetable, flower, grain and Chinese medicine. Third type is hot air heating machine. Okay, the specification of this machine, a typical hot air heating spec is reservoir, water supply, float switch, pump, mesh, evaporative fan and welded wire, pipe, spreader. Okay, for the function of this machine is the hot air generator are especially recommended in those cases where there is not an important requirement for continuous heating as an occasional defense against freezing temperature. Second one is the purpose of this system is to increase the productivity of the crop and the maturity in cold weather using medium level technology. The last one is distribution of hot air is carried out by using fan and hoses. Okay, the last type of machine is climate control. Okay, for the specification of this machine, airflow must be 2000 into 50,000 m3/h. Okay, second is heating capacity 30.7 into 69.9 kW. Cooling capacity must be 27.4 into 605.1 kW. Fourth one is insulation thickness 25/1050 mm. The second last is air to air heat. Last one is motor and PLC. Okay, about this function of this machine, wide range of climate controller for the automated management of all the systems that are installed in greenhouse. The controller are guided by the information collected by the different sensors installed in the order to maintain acceptable level of solar radiation, temperature, relative humidity and CO2. Condition for the crop, thus achieving the best evolution of the crop regarding their performance, early maturity and quality. That's all about the type of machine that we've chosen. Got 4 types. As you can see, we'll pass to my friend that will be present about another machine.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Imran. First, I will tell to everyone what is shelter agriculture. Shelter agriculture is defined as planting plant or crops in structure within walls or roof that are mostly made of transparent material. Doing so easily allows farmers to improve their performance and yield, while improving product quality. Greenhouse cultivation protect crops from internal threats such as certain pests and extreme weather events. For the plant, suitable plant to be grown in shelter agriculture is that it must be a type of small crops such as lettuce. Next, vegetables that need a little space such as tomato, squash and cucumber.
Hi, my name is Azri. I will present about advantages and disadvantages of sheltered agriculture. For the advantages, the first is the sheltered agriculture helps us control climate over the crops. Inside sheltered agriculture, we can make control watering, heat, light and humidity to create our own microclimate that allows us to start planting yearly and make it last longer than if we plant directly outdoor. We can grow vegetables or flowers out of season as well as type of yield that would not normally thrive in our climate. The second is if we have a relatively small plot of land, efficiently designed sheltered agriculture can provide a large amount of yield from a small plot of land. The last one is sheltered agriculture also protect our plants from damage from storm and damage from wild animals. For the disadvantages, the first is sheltered agriculture will generate high brooding costs and ongoing operating expenses such as additional water, lighting and heat. We need to choose a solid sheltered agriculture construction plan as well as related materials and supplies that will provide a long lifespan for the right structure and environment for the plants we plan to grow. The second is sheltered agriculture are confined environment where pests and disease can spread quickly. We must maintain strict control over what is in our sheltered agriculture to prevent disease and animals or pests that can destroy our plants quickly. Any seed or plants we purchase for sheltered agriculture plants must be certified free of all pests and disease. And the last one is most vegetable plants will require pollination for vegetable production, which can be a problem in sheltered agriculture. We may need to plant mechanically or find ways to introduce contaminating insects into sheltered agriculture areas. As the conclusion, we have seen that the machine that we want to use in our farm actually need to be suitable with our condition. It all depends on our farm size, capital and also our needed in the farm. It is without doubt that machine can actually help us in various ways. We just need to pick the right machine to make sure our work being done in the most efficient ways. That's all from us. Hope you guys enjoy the video presentation and get some useful information while watching our video. See you guys soon and goodbye.